Elephants don't just listen with their ears. These gentle giants have a secret sense. They can detect seismic vibrations through the ground. Tiny, sensitive cells in their feet act like natural earthquake detectors. This means elephants can hear through the earth itself. They can sense distant thunderstorms, feel the movement of other herds miles away, or even detect the footsteps of predators long before danger arrives. Scientists call this ability seismic communication. Elephants use it to send signals across vast distances. They drum the ground with their feet, sending low-frequency vibrations that other elephants can detect, even from miles away. This extraordinary skill isn't just survival. It's a powerful way to stay connected in the wild. It's nature's own secret messaging system, hidden in the soles of their feet. Nature gave elephants built-in earthquake sensors. What's the coolest animal superpower you know? Drop it in the comments.